Hello friends, welcome to the Trading Temple channel. Today we're going to analyze the Cardano chart again because it's had some really beautiful price action in the past few days, and once again we need to adjust our short-term targets. As you can see, Cardano has had a very strong breakout, breaking the trend line and moving upward, and at the same time it has broken through the 85-cent and 90-cent resistance levels. And as you can see, I talked to you about this last week. In last week's analysis, I showed that in this area, Cardano had a support level that was holding well at 70 cents. And at the same time, I said if it breaks through this 70-cent level, it could get very dangerous for Cardano and it might drop down even as low as 50 cents. But why did this level hold? Because at this level, we had some very strong moving averages. Both the 50-day, the 200-day, and the 100-day moving averages were there. And as you can see, when the price hit them with a very nice candle, a strong, beautiful candle, it managed to hold that level and move upward. And at the same time, you can see that we have a crossover here, where, for example, the 50-day moving average has crossed above the 200-day and is heading upward. And this is very bullish for those who are traders and know that the momentum has shifted, and now it's mostly the buyers who have control of the market. On the other hand, we can clearly see that Cardano's Relative Strength Index, or RSI, has consistently held at precisely the same significant level we extensively discussed last week. It firmly held at the crucial 40 level, and now it appears to be steadily getting ready to potentially move significantly higher from that very point. And now it's gone up to nearly 75. In the immediate short term, personally, I genuinely believe that the very next significant area Cardano will undoubtedly test, the next crucial resistance level that Cardano will encounter and test, is precisely at the 1.25 mark, and it is quite possible that this particular price level might indeed hold Cardano back and impede its progress for a certain period. So, in this scenario we're talking about, either it will do a back test from here, testing both the trend line and the resistance that has been broken as support, or because its momentum is strong, it might just go straight up and test this resistance directly. It might have a pullback, move back gently, and then in its next move, continue on its path and head toward the vicinity of the all-time high. Over the next few weeks or months, it could reach that level. And on the other hand, if we look at the daily time frame, you can see that the momentum is now shifting bullish again, and in the weekly time frame as well, you can see that the momentum is gradually turning bullish. And at the very same time, you can clearly see that during this significant pullback approximately 2 weeks ago, it precisely touched its crucial 50-week moving average perfectly. And something quite interesting that I specifically talked about last week is that Cardano's trading volume looks really, really good. Because when you carefully observe the price moving significantly up, you can clearly see that Cardano's trading volume, let me just quickly bring it up here for everyone to see, Cardano's trading volume is also steadily moving up at precisely the same time. When the price goes up, when the price enters a small correction here, you can see the volume drops, meaning in this part, buyers are stronger than sellers. And in this recent move where the price has gone up, you can see that the volume has increased again. This means the market is in the hands of the buyers, and this price could go even higher. And on the other hand, if we look at the Bitcoin chart, we see that Bitcoin has hit new all-time highs again today, and Cardano has gone up by about 9 to 10% today. And the position that Bitcoin is in right now is a bit complicated, but it could go even higher and then have another correction. The total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, is close to its all-time highs and is really trying hard to break through those highs. But I think first the total market cap that includes Ethereum will break through since it's almost there. Then we'll move on to the total market cap without Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that will break through as well. As I mentioned before, the reason Ethereum goes up first is because the money that had entered Bitcoin moves into Ethereum, and then gradually this money leaves Ethereum and flows into XRP, Solana, and Cardano. And as I said in the previous video, Cardano is one of the top 10 coins in terms of market cap, and the money that goes into XRP and Solana gradually moves into Cardano as well. So Cardano should also approach its all-time highs. Because right now, XRP is close to its all-time highs, Solana is close to its all-time highs, Ethereum is close to its all-time highs. So which coin is next? The next coin is Cardano, and Cardano is also gradually getting closer to its all-time highs. That was today's video about Cardano and the beautiful breakout it made. It has broken the trend line and resistance and is slowly moving upward. By next week, the price will most likely go even higher. And remember, trading is a game of probability, and nothing in it is ever 100% certain. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Until the next video, goodbye.